In this example, we're talking about both mixed references. I have the formula displayed here. I'm going to delete this in a second here. We do have a documentation page, which is in the file that you get. We're doing the payment function to determine our monthly payment on a house. So what we have here is, if we look at the top here, the amount to finance. It's only in one cell. We're going to lock in the cell. When we do this, we've got the interest rates. We're looking at a grid here. This is in a row, the number of years from 10 to 35 or 40, and so that is in a column. We're going to do the formula once. We're going to be using the payment function, PMT. We click on formulas, and it is a financial one. We click inside here. We find PMT. It's alphabetical. Okay. Step one was make sure you're in the correct cell, which is where we were. We've got the rate, which is right here. Now, you pay a mortgage or a car payment or a student loan every month. So this is B4. We have to select the row. That will always be row 4. We don't want it always to remain the letter B. We hit the F4 key once. It's not what we want. We hit the F4 key again. $4. That's correct. Now, since we're paying this on an annual basis, it's 2.75% per month, so we divide it by 12. We get a number over there. If you ever see something like that looks like this, invalid, oh my God, means you got a problem. So delete the stuff in there, start again. So I'm seeing a number. The number of payments, the years. We're paying it every month, so this is going to be 10 years, 15 years, whatever. We click inside this cell here. We want to lock in the column. It's going to be $A5. The A refers to a column. I hit it a third time. If you did it again, or too many times, just keep tapping it till you get the right one, and you're actually paying it by the month, so it's times 12, 120, 10 years, 12 months. That's good. Now, we're going to click inside C1. However, we want to, even though it's a debit to the checking account, we want it to appear positive. To do that, we hit the minus sign. First, we click inside the 100,000. As this is only in a cell, we hit the F4 key once. It only appears once, so it's $C$1. We say OK. We pull it to the right, and we could just double click on the dot, and it's showing what our monthly payment is on the house. So if you look over here, go into the documentation page here, it shows the formula, exactly what I just did.